So we're setting up the handlebars. Make sure that these two nudgings here are turned inwards. Screw goes onto the inside. And likewise with the other side, make sure it's facing inwards. Screw to the inside. Make sure they're nice and tight. And take the handlebars over. Pull and slip into the side. Set your angle, which you're going to be comfortable using. Nice and tight. Same this side. Nice and tight. It's a good angle to use. So we're using a 38mm slab. So the thickness of this is 38mm. If you look on the blade, you'll see a 38mm. Make sure when you put the blade on, that the blade's facing away from you so it acts as a shovel to pick up any excess sand. So for a 38mm, you'll need the screw on the inside. Screw them in. Make sure it's on this one again, same. Put that in. Make sure you push it in so it's locked in. Nice and tight. And that's you good to go.